how to log in into Alberta Corporate Tax. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I will teach you guys how you can log in into your Alberta Corporate Tax account. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now open any browser you have on your device. For example, I will choose Safari. Now in the search bar, type Alberta Corporate Tax login and search for it. Once you search for it, here you will see different links on your screen. From the different links, click on the second link that you see on your screen. Now keep on scrolling until you see this button that says continue to alberta.ca account. Now click on it and here you will be appeared on this page. Here you will see the TRSS availability like regular hours and system downtime notice. You can read this information and click on next button. Wait for a while and now you can finally enter your username and password in order to enter into your Alberta account. And in case you have forgot your username or password, just tap on forget your username or password button. And if you are new here, click on create account option. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys understood this video. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.